Hey guys, it's me, Patrick, and today we're gonna be reacting to For the Birds. So yeah, this might be a funny short. So let's go play it. Alright. No commentary off. Oh, it's the Pixar logo. Yeah, we don't want to see you smashing the eye for the 1 billionth time already. Like, jeez. Yeah, turn it off. Okay, I'll stop, okay. Oh, look, it's a birdie. Oh, let me get in. Oh, what? Oh. Whoa. Whoa, why do you guys sound like dog toys? Well, why do you guys sound like dog toys? What? Oh, guys. Enough! Yeah, you heard me. What? Is that, what? Is that Big Bird? It looks like Big Bird. It's actually Big Bird in disguise. Oh my god, why are they mocking him? He looks like Big Bird. Look, he looks like a Big Bird ripoff. Okay, that wasn't intended. Oh, why are you guys moving? Oh no, he's gonna get through it. I guess he's gonna get through it. Oh no! Oh my god, now he's gonna get crowded. What is with that Big Bird ripoff sounding like that? Oh, you know what they're thinking? They can launch him off. I'm gonna launch him off. Go! Don't even join in, Big Bird ripoff! Stop joining in! Oh god! Oh no! Okay. Oh no! No! Don't do it! No! Oh my god! Jeez, that was terrifying. Oh my good grief, he's naked! Oh my god! There's a bunch of naked birds! What on earth? Oh my god! Oh my god! And there's a bird poop on it! Alright, so that was For the Birds. Now I'm gonna leave you the credits, just like the other guys. Wee!